Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Studyship with Sudesh. This is chapter 1, the Earth in the Solar System. In this video, we will discuss about different type of celestial bodies, solar system, the sun and the different type of star groups, means constellations and planet. So let us come with the first one. This is our galaxy. And what do you mean by galaxy? A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. Millions of such galaxies make the universe. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. In our ancient Indian, named the Milky Way galaxy as named Akash Ganga, based on the imaginations that it is a river of light flow in the sky. The sun, the moon, all the objects shining in the skies are called as the celestial bodies. The celestial bodies having the heat and light of their own are called as the stars, or you can say that some celestial bodies are big and hot since they are made up of gases. They are called stars. The sun is also a star. We do not feel the heat and light of the stars other than the sun since they are very far away from us. Look at this picture. This is our solar system. The word solar system is derived from Roman mythology. Sol is sun god and solar related to sun. But if we're talking about the solar system generally, the sun, eight planets, satellite and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids from the solar system. Let us talk for the first one. Look at this picture. This is the sun. Sun is in the center of the solar system. It is a huge made up of extreme hot gases. See, these are the hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. It is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. And these are the three zones of the sun. A convectional zone, look at this is convectional zone, radiation zone and core zone. These are the different type of stars. The various patterns formed by the different group of stars are called as a constellation. For example, a Ursa Major and Big Bear means Saptarishi, or you can say a seven sages or a small bear. This is a big bear, and this is the Shaptarishi, or you can say a seven sages. Shaptarishi can be easily recognized in the sky. In ancient people used to determine a direction with the help of this constellation. So you can also uh, identify the direction. The north star indicate the north direction and it always remain in the same position in the sky. It is called as the polar star. The position of polar star can be determined by drawing or extending an imaginary line joining the pointer stars. Look at this picture. This is drawing a line exactly or extension an imaginary line that join the pointer star. Let us coming to the next one, planets. The celestial body that do not have the light or the heat of their own are called as planet, or you can say the word planet come from the Greek word aplentai, which means wonders, means these planets are wandered around the sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So let us come with the next one. Look at this planet. This is a new planet. UB 313 has been recently discovered, which is bigger than Plato and farthest from the sun. It is a dwarf planet and it is discovered by a Mike Brown in January 2005. It is called as a Irish. I think this is clear to all. Till August 2006, Plato was also a planet, but now it is called a dwarf planet. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in a fixed path. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus have rings around them. Look at this picture. These are belts of small debris. These rings may be seen from the Earth with the help of a powerful telescope. Mercury is the nearest planet. Look at this picture. This is the Mercury, and this is the nearest planet. And Neptune, this is the Neptune, is the farthest planet from the Sun. And Venus, because of its shape and size, is similar to the Earth, is considered as a Earth twins. So I think this is clear to you all. Okay, thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.